This
fields,
conference will now be recorded.
how you can hide fields, how you can change the default properties of metrics, etc. And then we proceeded to the concept of sorting. Okay, so in sorting, we have seen what are the different ways to sort the data.
Mm-hmm.
So we have seen the first four types, that is sorting the data on axis. How do you sort specific fields in the visualization, and how do you use the click toolbar and the headers and legends. So, okay, the last thing which we were supposed to see was a nested sort. So I'll just open that previous one. So were you able to get that that it is quite not possible with the normal sorting? I
Uh,
have to bring back that question, I believe. Yeah. So we have seen this using the toolbar over here and the axis options and sorting a specific dimension using this
yes.
toolbar. So we have seen all these kinds of things, right? We have seen this how you can change this manually, these headers and these legends also here.
Mhm.
So the question was over here. So we have put region and subcategory and some of cells on the columns. Then the visualization is something as you see over here. So we want to see which subcategories rank the highest in each region. So if you sort subcategory by sales, so I have put this in the descending order, expecting that I'll get the highest subcategory, and I've
Mhm.
sorted this. But are we getting that sort order over here?
No.
So this is not possible because what is happening is Tableau computes the sort across
Mhm.
the entire table using the specified criteria and not the level of detail in your visualization. So whenever you're specifying the sort, it will sort the data across the entire table, that is across your entire source resultant table using
Mhm.
whatever the criteria you have specified, that is descending or ascending based on sales. But it's not at the level of view in the visualization, that is at the region level now. This is a subcategory within a region.
Mhm.
So, but it's not sorting the subcategory at that particular region. It is sorting subcategory for the entire data set. That's why it is showing in a different order over here. Though the level we are expecting is for a region or
Okay.
for a particular subcategory. So for this, we can apply some small, functionality within Tableau that is called nested sort.
Um,
Yeah.
Actually, I tried, Sunil,
Uh-huh.
like sorting the data according to the region. Though I
Hmm.
didn't get like on the whole the report, what
Yeah.
I did means I took filter on the region, and
Yeah.
likewise I did sorting through the toolbar sort.
Yeah.
Or I just selected the Canada region and then I tried
Yeah.
doing the sort. These two I got it, but on
Okay.
the whole I didn't get
Yeah.
like
Yeah. Correct.
how you wanted.
Yeah. Correct. So when you're applying that filter, right, the resultant data set has already changed, right?
Mhm.
So that's why it's again sorting means you're having only that data in your result. Whereas
Mm.
here you're having the entire data set.
Yeah.
So when it is sorting subcategories for the entire data set, not at a particular region.
Yeah.
So for that, what we have to do is we have to create a nested sort. Okay.
Okay.
So there is a concept called combined field, which we can do. So for that, what we'll do is we'll combine both the region and subcategory. Okay, we'll select region, click on that, and control, and click on subcategory. First you select region, then press the control key and select subcategory. Then right click. One second. So you have this option called create after you have selected both the region and subcategory, and go for combined field. So we have a combined field with both region and subcategory. Okay. So we will remove this subcategory field and add this one over here. So this got created in a reverse fashion. Let me do it once again. So at first we are supposed to get region. So when you have selected a region and subcategory by holding the control button, click on the region and then say create that combined field. Then you will get it region and subcategory. That is, region will be first and subcategory will be the second field. So a combined field is created now. Now you right click on this or on the drop down and this sort. We'll say descending and the field is sales. So now you see.
Oh, okay. Can you show me how you did the region and subcategory again, in the dimension?
Yeah. So I'll remove this field. Okay, I'll delete this also. So first you select region, hold the control key, select
Mm-hmm.
subcategory, and go to the region again, dimension, right click, and
Mm-hmm.
say create, and say select this combined field.
Oh, okay.
So now you got a field that is
Mm-hmm.
both a combination of region and subcategory. When I add
Okay.
it to the rows, so it is Canada accessories, Canada
Oh, okay.
appliances. And now you can go here on the drop down, say select sort, descending. The field is sum of sales. Say
Mm-hmm.
apply and say OK. So these subcategories are now at the region level, and you have the sorting order sorted in a perfect way. So this was not possible individually. So did you get the point? So whenever you're
Yes.
sorting data in Tableau, so this is one thing like it is confusing always.
Okay.
So if you are sorting it, the concept is sorting is always done across the entire table, across your resultant table.
Okay.
It is not bother about what is there on the canvas. So you have a resultant set of 10,000 rows with all the columns, or the columns you have specified, okay, with the conditions. On that, the sorting is done. So it doesn't bother whether that subcategory is at region level, or at market level, or at any country level. It doesn't care about that. It just takes subcategory as a column and sorts it on the entire table with all the columns and rows.
Okay.
That is the reason why you have to go for this concept of a combined field, and then you can create a nested sort. So there is no other option except this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is it clear, this part?
Yes.
So if you have tried different things, you would have seen like you have to add other things.
Yeah.
You're putting a filter means you're already limiting the resultant
Data.
data.
Yeah, true.
So again, it is doing the same thing. So if I
Yeah.
say market over there, still it doesn't care about that.
Yes.
So in that resultant, as I said, again you have to create the combined field with whatever
Yeah.
way at the level you want to do doing it. So
Okay.
then you can sort it. So
Okay.
that is the concept. So then once you understand that concept, then you don't have to struggle